REC presented. Regulator Tester SC-02 LIN Smart Connector. The latest innovation from REC. The easiest way to test LIN system alternator in just one click. It's easy to use SC-02. First, connect all the 3 wires. Then, connect with its adapters. Unplug the alternator and switch to use LIN SC-02 adapter instead. Then connect the SC-02 to the battery. Connect COM wire with the alternator adapter. Start the engine. Press reset for connecting all systems with the smart connector. After all system connect, you can test all voltage for alternator testing as easy. REC, stable, durable.